Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simone. As y'all can tell from the title, today's video is going to be another clean with me. My last video of me cleaning my room was very successful. I think it has like 7,000 views right now, so I decided to do another one for you guys. As y'all can see, I'm starting by making my bed. I love to start my cleaning by making my bed first because it's the biggest thing in my room. So once it's made, it helps my room seem cleaner faster, and I feel like I can just see everything better. Like it's immediately less chaotic. After making my bed, I started organizing this shelf that I have under my TV. Basically putting everything in its proper place and taking anything off the shelf that doesn't belong. I filmed this video after coming back home from a trip, so as you guys can see, I still had a full suitcase and a couple other bags that I had to unpack. After putting those bags on the bed, I'm just picking everything up off the floor. I have a really bad habit of just throwing things on the floor, like in my daily routine or when I'm getting ready for something, or I don't know, I just end up with a bunch of stuff on the floor. So when I'm cleaning like this, I have to pick up dirty clothes, clean clothes, purses, shoes, just random things that I've thrown around.
As it's dawn, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm coming.
Once I've picked everything up off the floor, I start tackling the bags that I had sat on my bed, and these are all bags from my trip. So as y'all can see, I'm unpacking them, and they're full of like toiletries, clothing, all of the vacation essentials. So I have to put all of these things back in their proper place, and then the clothes, I have to figure out what's dirty, what's clean, and I have to put the shoes up. Take a little pause and take something outside to one of my mom's friends, so that's why in the next clip you'll see me with a shirt on, because I didn't want to go outside kind of naked. But you'll see in like next few clips I end up taking the shirt off. But right here I'm just organizing my little makeup organizer thing. I really need a new one. It's kind of small. Maybe that's something I'll get in the future, but I'm just taking all my makeup out of my little travel makeup bag and sitting it back in this storage organizer thing. Since I finally have my luggage unpacked, I'm taking them out of my room and putting them in one of the hall closets. Now I'm taking my pile of dirty clothes to the laundry room. Am I the only one that always has a pile of dirty clothes in the corner of their room? I literally have a laundry basket, but my basket is always full of clean clothes that I need to fold, and then I have a pile of dirty clothes in the corner. While I was in the laundry room, I decided to go ahead and keep the laundry going. I took out the dry clothes that were in the dryer, put them in a basket, and then I took the clothes out of the washing machine, put them in the dryer, and then I believe I started a new load with my new dirty clothes.
Waste time, I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons.
into one of my favorite parts of cleaning. Once I finally have everything off my floor, I can vacuum. I don't know why vacuuming is so satisfying to me, y'all. I love vacuuming. I love like mopping and sweeping. It's just something about seeing the transformation of the floor. And with vacuuming, I really love seeing the lines on the carpet. I don't know. It's weird. I also like watching like vacuuming and rug cleaning videos on TikTok and Instagram. If you've seen those and you enjoy watching those too, let me know. I'm a clean talk, clean, real clean video person in general. I don't know. I just find cleaning very satisfying. Next, I'm wiping my mirror. Just spraying some Windex and wiping her down, getting her squeaky clean. Next, I'm taking some Lysol wipes and wiping down any like frequently touched areas in my room. So like my doorknob, a little bit around my door. I did like a lot of the handles on my drawers and things like that. The knobs on my closet doors. Just little spaces that I can kind of disinfect. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me doing the laundry that was in my swing chair and of the final reveal of my room. So that is going to be the end of today's video. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss my next videos. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you. Bye.